What's going on, everybody? Um, I've been doing some projects around the house here and there, and I've kind of been thinking that maybe you guys may want to see my triumphant results from my doing different kinds of home repairs, and also my epic failures, where I pretty much break the entire house, like I do with the cars on my RepairAddict channel. Um, I've decided I might as well tape it and show you guys how I am learning to be a rehabber, fixer, upper person. I would not call myself a carpenter, or plumber, or electrician, or any of that good stuff, and have absolutely no experience whatsoever. And everything I learn from the internet and YouTube. Just kind of with the mindset that if anyone can do it, I can do it. Of course, people went to school forever and got decades of experience behind them. I get all that. That's fantastic. Those people are the masters who I would love to be like, but I'm not going to waste my time on school. Everything I need to do in the house, I can pretty much learn from the internet, right? How hard could it be? So if you like the videos, please hit that like button and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, because that's going to keep me going. Also, for the support. I really am going to need some support from you guys, because, again, no prior experience, no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just going to dive right into it anyway. But whatever I'm doing wrong, absolutely incorrectly, against code, all of that good technical stuff that I know nothing about, please point it out in the comments below. I appreciate you guys not just calling me a name and, leaving. Just tell me what I'm doing wrong so I can learn from the experience, and we're going to get through this thing together. So, like, subscribe, and comment. Really appreciate it, and let's dive right into some repairs.